Dear students of BSc Part 2 and respected listeners, a very good morning and welcome all of you to today's lecture. Dear students, first of all, I bring to draw your kind immediate notice and focus on subject, class, topics selected from BSc Part 2, Paper 3 Physical Chemistry, chosen Unit 2 as Thermodynamic 2. Dear students, we were discussing about important and very special topic, Carnot cycle. First of all, once again, I would like to repeat that Carnot cycle, which is today's our lecture, which is formed by 4 necessarily steps involved to form a complete, that is Carnot cycle here. I am drawing here a complete Carnot cycle on the blackboard here, in which A to B is known as isothermal expansion, step B to C is known as adiabatic expansion. Similarly, C to D, which is equal and reciprocal and reverse in sign by means of negative, to that is of A to B to that is of C to D as isothermal compression. Similarly, in Carnot cycle, D to A is known as adiabatic compression. Dear students, the necessarily theory, basic postulate, conceptual, important features for every step, once again I repeat today regarding Carnot cycle here. In the steps of A to B, I would like to express regarding theory. In this step, A to B, heat engine is connected to that is of heat source. Heat engine absorbs the plus Q2 heat and work is performed by that is of plus W1. The necessary calculation, the necessary mathematical value of W1 we have calculated and mentioned on the blackboard yesterday's lecture. In the case of B to C, which is known as adiabatic expansion here, in this case, in this step B to C, heat engine is connected by non-conduction jacket to produce adiabatically and now allowed to expand the system, and work done for the expansion adiabatically in B to C is symbolized by plus W2. This work regarding to that is of adiabatical expansion we have also calculated yesterday in the classroom and on the blackboard here. Similarly, in the case of furthermore, I express my views the regarding theory to that is of C to D. In C to D, that is of heat engine is connected with that is of sink. The heat engine now to work perform is start to work and expressed by that is of minus W3. After performing of the work minus W3, rest heat is now transferred to that is of minus Q1 to that is of sink. Similarly, in the case of DA, in this case again, heat engine is now connected with that is of a non-conduction jacket to produce insulated adiabatic atmosphere and allowed to compress, and work performed, work done is calculated by minus W. Yesterday we have calculated the value of minus W4 for this step D to A. Dear students, yesterday the net work for the performing of whole step in which A is connected to B, B is connected to C, C is connected to D, D is connected to A, having the volume at the point of A, V1, volume V2 at the point of B, volume V3 at the point of C, volume V4 at the point of D. Similarly, temperature at the point of A is symbolized by T2. Similarly, at the point of B, temperature is symbolized by T2. Similarly, at the point of C, temperature T1 is symbolized by T1. T1 at the point of D, T1 which possesses the temperature of sink having the lower value. Similarly, in the case of AB, temperature is expressed by 2, T2 having the higher value. T1 possesses low, T2 possesses high value. Dear student, yesterday, look at the blackboard here. Total work done in a whole cycle we calculated, that is of 11 equation. Now what is the relation? What is the quantitative relation between V2 upon V1 and V3 upon V4? To establish the necessarily relation between V2 upon V1 and V3 upon V4, we select two important adiabatic condition B to C having the temperature at the point of B, T2 and volume, that is of V2. Similarly, T2 V2 to the power gamma minus 1 is equals to next, that is of at the point of C, T1 V3 gamma minus 1, where gamma show the ratio of heat capacity, keeping pressure and volume as a constant here. Quote down equation number 12. Next one, let us again pick from the step of, again discuss, let us discuss about that is of D2A having the temperature T1 volume V4 at the point of A having the volume V1 and is symbolized by that is of T2. Next one step, that is of T1 V4 gamma minus 1 is equals to T2 V1 gamma minus 1 on transferring both the sides here. We have T2 V1 gamma minus 1 is equals to T1 V4 gamma minus 1. Say equation number 13. Now divide equation number 12 by 13. T2 will be cut by T2. Similarly, in the case of T1 will be cancelled by that is of T1. V2 upon V1 to the power gamma minus 1 is equals to V3 upon V4 to the power gamma minus 1. Similarly, gamma minus 1 is cancelled by that is of gamma minus 1. A pure the ratio quantity we are having here, that is of V2 upon V1 is equals to V3 upon V4. It is evident, obviously, a very special, very that is incredible, that is of relationship between V2 upon V1 is equals to that is of V3 upon V4 we have. Now, in coming timing, we will derive further and we will calculate the value of efficiency of Carnot cycle. After substituting the value of V2 upon V1 will be replaced by V3 upon V4, and necessarily efficiency of Carnot cycle we will discuss, we will deliver in the classroom next lecture. Thank you very much.